When a clown enters a palace, he does not become the king. However, the palace becomes a circus. Something that rhymes very, very well with Chairman Gary Gensler, who we thought was on our side. Do you guys remember the XRP community, including myself, like cheering on the fact that Gary Gensler was going to be a chairman at the SEC because of his previous videos talking about Ripple or XRP at a university, describing its efficiency? I mean, we're kind of the clowns for thinking that he was going to do some good in office, but hey, I mean, we thought we had the pocket aces, but someone else got us with the flush. That's just, we lost that one. But anyways, we will come back. We will defeat the SEC. Guys, you ready to get rich? Are you ready to get rich? No, I'm not going to sell you a $5,000 course to show you how, but I will show you something for free over on the XRP charts. I uploaded a video very, very early today, probably 8, 9, 10 hours ago. And we were documenting this latest candle. And I'm telling you guys, don't trust this candle, dude. This red one, oh yeah, it came up big and scary. It went from 50 all the way down to 41. Oh my God. And it got some XRP influencers to tweet out that XRP was dumping. Oh my God. Oh, such a scary candle. Oh, what was it? Halloween, dude? This candle scared me. This candle is nothing, bro. This candle is nothing. Look, almost half of it is already eaten up. And we are exactly at the halfway mark until this candle closes. Don't be scared of this thing, man. This is a joke, bro. Because when I see people tweeting out, oh my God, XRP's dumping, you know what they're looking at? They're on the 1 hour chart going oh my God, no, dump. But if you look at the reality of where we are at this point in time with XRP, dude, this candle is nothing. If anything, this candle right here, that is our key to success to reach the $1 per coin level, which I do believe we will be reaching in probably the next few weeks, most likely next month. And I have a feeling that if the Flare tokens do get distributed next month, I believe the Flare launch will I'm not saying Flare launch is going to pump XRP, but it'll create that kind of excitement in the space that there's a brand new biggest coin on the XRP ledger threatening to take down Ethereum, that kind of thing. Jaw's feeling a little bit weird. Anyways, yeah, guys, this candle, it's beautiful, but I'm not going to lie, when it went from top wick to bottom wick, 50 cents to 41, okay, yeah, it was for sure discouraging, but we even predicted on the channel, you can go look at the old videos, that this was going to happen. We were expecting a drawdown, and I literally said in the video 41 or 42 cents. That's what happened. I know I'm not good with TA, but sometimes, very rarely, I will be correct. Seriously, don't listen to my technical analysis, except for this video, because I talked about this formation for 30 videos straight about how this is double bottom weekly, key level, old all-time high, right? And then it popped up, and then I told you guys, hey, expect a drawdown to 41 cents. They're going to try to scare us and shake us out. And now that candle is here, and dude, it's pathetic. And I haven't even checked the volume statistics on it yet, but I mean, dude, look at all the volume. All the volume the big boys came in with for that candle. And again, that's the full 7 days of the weekly candle. But then we're more than halfway through this candle, and look what this little red one is. I mean, what is that? That's what is that? What is that tiny volume? Bro, you're not tricking me, man. You're not tricking me. More than half the candle has already turned to wick, and I guarantee you, we're going to get the 3-bar play. Markets love to move in 3 bars. It's just a boom, boom, boom. Same thing, boom, boom. Okay, little attempt, then the next one. And then it works the same way for going down. So we truly, I mean, look at this nice formation right here. Half of this gap has already been filled, as expected. Kept telling you guys on the channel, hey, there's a gap. There's liquidity waiting to be grabbed. That's how the big boys of this market make money. They got to grab liquidity. They went and grabbed it. Now it's pulling back a little bit. It's going to go for the second grab. And I believe it's going to fill it all the way to probably that candle right there before pulling back again. Most recent candle filled up nearly the biggest candle on this dump. This is what I like to call the Terra Luna drawdown. Because there's the Terra Luna, USDT turned into 3 Arrows Capital, and Celsius going, freaking illiquid. And by the way, Celsius is trying to turn themselves into a new crypto custody company. Like, oh yeah, hey, we kind of took all your money and lost it all, but hey, we can hold your money again. That's no problem. David Schwartz from Ripple was joking around on Twitter about that, but there's more liquidity to be grabbed. It is there, bro. We're going to get it. We're going to get that $1 a coin. I know for most of us, I'd say like 97% of the people watching this video, $1 per XRP, it's not going to make you like rich, but you're going to be having a damn good time checking your fiat balances. You're going to be having a damn good time checking on your XRP bag on whatever wallet app you use or whatever, price tracking app. And you're going to do the math and you're going to plug it in all together in my bag times 1, easy math, right? And you're going to, holy shit, I actually got this much money. Because, I mean, for me, yeah, like $1 a coin, it's not life-changing, but it does definitely give you a little boost to energy in the morning going, hey, XRP's not, 15 cents. I'm actually making money, all right? So just prepare for this, guys. That one's coming. All right, guys, we got a thread to dive into now. Just added to our document library, the Hinman calendar, redacted, produced by the SEC government's FOIA request. I believe that is the Freedom of Information Act office to Stu Young XRP. It's a long thread. Too late at night. Don't grab a coffee, grab a beer or something, but we're going to read through this. Some important observations. The June 14th, 2018 Hinman speech appears to be a dividing line on his calendar. Even though for an unknown reason the speech, the Yahoo Finance Conference, or his travel to San Francisco, documented by video, are not redacted in the document. Before 6/14/2018, Hinman had 7 meetings dedicated exclusively to Ethereum, 4 with Consensus, a third-party entity owned by ETH co-founder Ethereum Joseph, which is dedicated to developing, promoting, and profiting off enterprise use of the Ethereum network. Okay. In the famous speech, Hinman declared ETH is not a security because putting aside its fundraising, it has become sufficiently decentralized. Putting aside its fundraising, it has become sufficiently decentralized. So basically you're saying the SEC can still go after Ethereum and say that like, oh, okay, yeah, right now it's not a security, but like, back then when you sold, billions of it, not billions of tokens, but millions of tokens, yeah, it was a security back then. So where's our 50 million settlement, right? That fundraising included a 2014 ICO and high-volume sales to investors like Novogratz. Despite 4 meetings on the calendar with a third-party promoter of Ethereum ahead of the speech, Hinman told CNBC on that same day of the famous speech that we don't see a third-party promoter where applying the disclosure regimen would make a lot of sense. We don't see a third-party promoter where applying the disclosure regimen would make a lot of sense. Okay. June 14th was indeed a dividing line. Before that date, Hinman dedicated 7 meetings to ETH and then provided the so-called free pass in the speech, starting with a hold for MTG on the same day with Ripple. For the next 2 years, XRP took up another 7 meetings. Okay. Why was the Yahoo Finance Conference or Hinman's presence in San Francisco not on the redacted calendar for 6/14/18? Did he actually meet with Store Aldrich or lawyers with Ripple on that same day where it indicates to hold for MTG? The hold for MTG entry, I can't read today, is also the first appearance of Valerie Sheshpanik, that's my best guess last name, on Hinman's calendar, joining his Ripple and XRP related meetings for the rest of his tenure. She had started as a senior advisor for digital assets 10 days earlier. There is never another meeting with Consensus or to discuss ETH again on the calendar. After the speech, Ethereum Joseph repeatedly predicts in public comments that while ETH was safe, there were bad times ahead for others. August 19, 2018, 2 months after the Hinman speech, Ethereum Joseph tells podcast, we got a lot of pretty huge quality clarity, but sees bad times ahead for other projects. Ooh, meeting with the freaking Consensus 7 times, Hinman. 7 times you met with them. That's, that's really funny how you meet with essentially a company created by an Ethereum founder 7 times before you give the free pass speech. And then once the free pass speech happens on June 14, 2018, they don't meet again anymore. I wonder what happened there. Does it really take 7 meetings to give your own opinion? Does it really take over 60 drafts to give your own opinion? 60 plus drafts, 7 meetings with the Ethereum founder just to give your opinion? Oh, I don't think that's an opinion. I think that's a little bit of a paid sponsorship. And that's what that is. That's what that is. That's a fucking paid sponsorship right there. In late 2018, there were... little speculation. If Joseph Lubin knew that there was bad times ahead for other coins, did he perhaps open short positions on XRP because he was made aware of this information? I don't know. Okay, but probably. In late 2018, there were 3 one-on-one meetings between him and Clayton on crypto. All these dates right here. The meetings with and about Ripple and XRP started a year later. There are then 3 meetings in the run-up to the Ripple lawsuit between Hinman and Pathetic about XRP or digital assets. And finally, Liz Vol call to bill re-XRP. So William Hinman's aware of XRP. That's for sure. After Hinman departs on 12/20/20, Clayton, a Republican, votes on his last day with 2 Democrats in the SEC Gov to file the lawsuit against Ripple, crashing the value of XRP and wiping out $15 billion in holdings among thousands of holders. Also, not on Hinman's calendar, but confirmed in his emails obtained by Empower US, 4 meetings with Joshua Bonney of Simpson Thacher, which violated federal ethics rules. Ooh, not county laws, not state laws, federal. That's the one law you don't fuck with, dude. That's the one thing. Okay, you can break state laws. Okay, I get it. You know, California, 10-round magazines. I understand all that. But breaking state laws is one thing. Breaking federal laws, that's a whole different ball game right there. Okay? Hinman was paid $15 million by that firm throughout his tenure at the SEC Gov. Damn. Honestly, I'm not going to lie. If I was in Hinman's position, and I get approached by some Ethereum representative and say, hey, dude, could you, like, just talk about Ethereum in a positive way? We'll give you $15 million. Guys, I'm sorry. I probably would have done the same thing. Like, dude, imagine just being a career politician. I mean, being a career politician, the money's not even in the salary, bro. The salary's in these little backdoor deals, right? And I'm going to be honest, like, dude, like, I know we hate William Hinman. I know he's corrupt, stinking piece of crap. But imagine someone comes up to you and goes, hey, you know, here's $15 million. Can you just go make a speech at this San Francisco event? That's kind of hard to turn down. $15 million, dude. You could get almost 3 Bugatti Chirons before tax. You could get, like, unlimited BMWs. You could have one of every BMW ever created. Like, I'm sorry, but one speech, $15 million. I understand as a politician why he accepted that. But they shouldn't have fucking gone after Ripple. They shouldn't have gone after Ripple because they bit the tiger's tail. Now they're getting the teeth, and now they don't like it. Okay? And also, not on his calendar, but agreed to over email, a meeting between Hinman and Simpson Thacher. God, I've already read all this so many freaking times. The China IPO business with the mining rigs. There's no calendar item where Hinman's speech on ETH was screened for possible conflicts, given that Simpson Thacher was a member of the ETH Alliance. Hinman's calendar shows ethics meetings near the speech on unrelated matters. Comparing the emails obtained by Empower US on this calendar, it strongly suggests Hinman did not disclose the potential conflicts with the ETH speech, despite multiple meetings with the head of SEC ethics shortly before the speech 2018. I mean, why would he care about what the SEC ethics thinks? He knew he was going to depart soon. He's being a lame duck, getting that nice little bankroll, and then bye-bye. No longer work for you guys. God, if I was him, and he ought to, probably already has. You get $15 million like that from a bribe. I don't know why I'm, like, supporting Hinman, but, like, the best thing for him to do is just shove that money to a Swiss bank account and go live on, like, some island somewhere. Like, honestly, at this point, because the karma's going to catch up to him. The karma's going to catch up to him. Nobody should get paid $15 million for a speech. It's ridiculous. But people have probably been paid more for speeches, I imagine. The more evidence that comes out, there are more questions raised. It's time for an investigation of William Hinman's official actions on crypto at the SEC Gov and his compliance with federal ethics, disclosure, and recusal rules. Now, guys, got a little announcement. I am going to start selling a new product on the channel. We have the SEC Eraser. Great for removing pesky consensus meetings from your calendar. So in case you guys, want to meet with Ethereum 7 times and then, erase the speech off your calendar, you can do that with a good old SEC Eraser. That's a damn good looking eraser right there, too. And, man, when I was in school, I used to take a pencil and just start jabbing it into the eraser. I know all you guys did that. All right. Final piece of information for today, XRP dominance monthly chart. While some are getting emotional on shorter time frame, I take a step back and look at the macro. So, again, you're not looking at XRP price. You're looking at XRP dominance over the market. So, basically, just for a quick example, because I want this chart to make sense to everyone. I know most of you guys already understand it. I just want it to make sense to everyone. See, like right here, you can see that's about, 18%. That means that at this point in time right here, XRP was 18% of all cryptocurrency market cap. Just so we're clear there. And then I know my face is going to be kind of like not visible for a little bit, but I got to explain this chart to you guys. See, so right here, you have RSI. This is relative strength index, not an incredibly reliable chart for, day trading, leverage trading, things like that, but it is like I think a pretty good long-term indicator because it gives you an idea of, is the market, the RSI, it's kind of like a really, really simple way of like, okay, oversold, overbought. It's basically that kind of thing. So you can see XRP gets very, very oversold, creates a resistance trend line on the XRP dominance chart, and then goes for the breakout right there. Goes from, being 1% of all cryptocurrency market cap to basically 19% of all cryptocurrency market cap. 39x in 56 days. Oh my fuck, I missed that pump. Fuck, dude. I got this one right here. I caught this pump, but not this one, man. I should have got that one. And then again, you see the same chart getting created over here. And this, for the person who made the chart, they could have even probably dragged out that line further and probably barely touched this high right here. Look at that. Downtrend line, RSI breaking out. Guys, I think we got some good freaking money coming, dude. Let's check the XRP Bitcoin for a good measure. What is the chart that I want? I need Binance. Did I not draw it out on the chart? But anyways, this is the thing from Geraldo XRP that he pointed out, which is, yeah, guys, it's gonna happen. We're all gonna get fucking rich. Look at that beautiful breakout. I don't think I'm drawing the chart correctly, according to like Geraldo. I think that is the correct way. Yes, you see this whole entire 5-year resistance trend line that stopped you and me from getting rich, right? And then look at that. It breaks up perfectly, secures one weekly candle close above. It could have crashed back down below, and then it gets the confirmation candle closes again. Now we got the little tiny pathetic pullback, and I fucking guarantee you, bro, XRP is going to go for that moonshot right there. Best believe, guys. Make sure to smash the likes on the video, subscribe, post notifications, check the links in the description, more support the channel, and do leave an obligatory support of comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.